Interesting, challenging things going on here. You hear that? Uh-oh. I did. Sure. Tak, lecę lecieć. I did renew the rivets. What was it in the end? Often a mistake doesn't come alone, but more factors are involved. It was the rivets. The heads were too high, and it seems like that the primary gear is not even. You see here? It is. I put a gouge in the. You see? Here it stripes. Here it doesn't. Here it stripes. Here it doesn't. This is no good. It is a defect. Brand new malossi primary gear. Here is the patient in focus. The bearing. Never trust no brand knots. Always keep an open eye. Things have wrong. The DOT. This shape. Man!